Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to recover your Gmail account password. So you have to go to the right here, Gmail forgot password. Then you have to click on the first link, change or reset password. Now you have to click on this change password. You have to enter your password. If you forgot this, you have to click on this forgot password. Now in your phone you have to check this and click on yes from your phone. Just click yes from your phone. You will find a notification. You have to write yes. After clicking on yes, it will be uh, sending allow you to send the new password. Okay, now you have to write here the new password and confirm the password and click on change password. So this is the one method you can do this. The second method is, if you forget your password, you have to retype your phone number. Then it may ask you to type the phone number, then it will send the verification code to the phone number. Okay, then you have to check the phone and the verification code should be sent in that box. Then it will be like this. Let's try this one. Forgot Gmail password. Click on change password. Now you have to give the password. If you forgot this, click on forgot password. Click on continue. If you don't have this passkey, you can cancel this one and try another way. In try another way, you can tap this one too, and you can see that in this Gmail you have got a code. You have to put here the code. Okay, sometimes it may ask you to the you may find here the phone number. Then you may have to check your phone number. You have to put the verification code here. Okay, after that it will be done. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.